And good Friday from the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center. I'm RTV6 meteorologist Todd Clausen. We'll deal with dry conditions this morning and temperatures warming to near 70 degrees this afternoon. But as we get into the warmer air, some isolated storms will start to develop across the area. We are under the slight risk from Indianapolis to Muncie to Terre Haute, with an enhanced risk as you work your way from Bloomington then towards Evansville for the potential of some severe storms here later on this evening. What happens today will kind of determine the strength of the storms. It's not a slam dunk case of severe weather. The best chance will be later tonight and again across those southern locations. As we get into the weekend, Saturday and Sunday are going to be fairly wet. With that said, there will be many dry hours, especially on Saturday in the afternoon hours. So I wouldn't cancel any plans at this point, but just know as these waves of rain moves through, you'll have to kind of time your plans. And then on Sunday, we'll be dealing with pretty widespread rain as the front comes through. So here we go into the overnight hours, and you see these pockets of heavier rainfall moving through, and that'll continue into the evening hours tomorrow. Then we get a break Sunday morning before the next wave starts to move in throughout the middle half of Sunday, but more so Sunday evening as the cold front moves through. So that was kind of the whole weekend and fast forward as far as the rain goes, but you kind of get the idea as it comes in waves. Rainfall totals today, 3/4 of an inch or less across the area. Then as we get into the overnight hours, watch how the rainfall kind of ramps up a little bit. By tomorrow morning, some areas approaching an inch of rain, but then the big push comes Saturday night into Sunday morning where we get over 2 inches of rain. This is cumulative. It's not in that time frame. And then by the time things wrap up this weekend, we're looking at maybe over 3 inches of rain in spots across the area. Flooding concerns will become an issue, I think, as we get into Sunday and Monday as rivers start to rise. Behind the front on Sunday, it's much cooler with temperatures in the 60s next week and several opportunities to pick up rain showers.